Kung mga OMP ka kamram jong ka operation ka day ng long tutu. Ay tanap mentau leader of operation ulay inspection man ka jaka. But na tayo padablut yung inspection dengan namlah ang umulay u aino atau press. Lagi siya ulay blut siya inspection lo, okay? Yung gitu site kebadon ka mining coal mining area ka badon yung kabalut siya okay nang tao na report yang irumi ko atau dia tak report kaba leader of operation. Kenapa ngiru accordingly we will take action. That is the point number 1. Point number 2, criminal conspiracy. Ngam suatu, what does it mean by saying criminal conspiracy done by the government? Te kumong ong yapi ngang apa konsiyon tanoi. We are waiting for the report. Okay? Because now the leader of opposition himself is conducting inspection to all these areas. So still I don't just believe in the statement he made through the media or through the press. So I am sure, being a responsible leader of opposition, he will also give us some report and his finding, whatever, so that action will be taken accordingly. That is the point number 2. So the question of conspiracy, the question of criminal conspiracy, I think at this juncture he cannot just jump to a conclusion. Umla ban supoi bika conclusion umla. Namar ba kumo bi katakan inspection tu kadang ya ke saja. So let him go, let him complete and submit report. Why not? Ni accept. Ni pediang semua bahal lado doktor mukul sama belum veteran politician but ulade ex chief minister jong mikala but mauru ubalatip bahai kini ke berkhoi during his tenure as chief minister. NGT has come down heavily hagaba khang sundon ya kaneka mining activities hapopajala joni barokoi. I think he is the best person. He knows better than anybody else and he has been in the government. He led the government for not less than 8 years. So he knows better. Therefore, I would suggest our honorable leader of opposition to kindly submit the report. Don't just talk to the press. Don't just give statement. Submit the report. And please don't make allegations. Let him come up with the report. And then from the government, we will make sure that action is taken accordingly. So the last point where he was saying about a delay tactic done by the state government as far as auction of coal is concerned. In fact, kani kamday ban ongka kamha ati jurisdiction juni. Because the Supreme Court kumapi kala High Court baka Coal India ka sale ka kam but yakataru under the supervision jong ka NGT but ki meetings cannot issue ki ba na kala state government ka Coal India isyong bat ka NGT ki hadu menta kam patkut kanika meeting ke isyong jing prepare gini ki action plan thik pathik kanika dang ya chekman they please again hakapade when issue don't come to a conclusion banging le kata delaying tactics lengini kwa ban le no would ban dispose of ban action no then the yakani komapi ultimately we are subjected to the approval of the NGT. The NGT has to ultimately approve the action plan of how we going to dispose of to auction the coal of about 32 lakhs metric tons in the state of Nepal. So therefore the question of delaying tactics does not arise.